Let me be honest with you, everyone's talking about Sora 2 right now, but no one is giving the real solution. People are posting how to get access videos, but they leave out the key moves that actually work. Codes vanish in seconds, and if you're not ready, you miss out. Stay with me because in the next few minutes I'll show you exactly how I get invite codes, the real process, the quick moves, and the safety tips so you don't waste time or fall for scams. If you want Sora 2 right now and don't want to pay a cent, this is the video you need. First, take note. Sora is only available in the United States and Canada. That's why so many people see the app and get blocked. The fix is simple, and I'll walk you through it. Okay, if you are not residing in United States or Canada, start by opening your VPN. If you don't have one, pick a trusted provider and connect to a server in the United States or Canada. Set it to the US for the smoothest results. With your VPN on and set to the US, go to Sora.com. I'll link it in the description so you can click straight through. When the page loads, you'll see the basic sign-in area where you type your username. Type whatever username you want. Something simple and memorable. On that page you'll notice two buttons, Stay on Old Sora, and Enter Invite Code. We're focused on getting the invite code, because to access Sora 2 currently, you must be invited or have the invitation codes. That's the part everyone messes up. They don't show where the codes actually drop or how fast you need to be. Let's move to the next step, getting the invite code. Open your Discord app or the web version and go to Discover. In the search bar, type OpenAI and press Enter. Click on OpenAI. You'll see the Discuss Sora 2 and Sora 2 codes options. Join any one of your choice. Once you're inside, don't just lurk. Be active. Codes get posted and you will need to be fast. Each code can be used by only 4 users, so speed matters. Here's how to behave. Keep Discord open on your phone or desktop, watch the channel closely, and have your Sora page ready with that Enter Invite Code field open. When a code lands, you copy it immediately and paste it in Sora. That's it. The person who copies and pastes fastest wins one of the 4 slots. Have your VPN already connected to the US and your browser on the Sora page. Don't waste seconds turning things on. Keep Discord on a separate tab or your phone with notifications on so you see the drop instantly. Use a keyboard shortcut to paste fast, Ctrl+V or CMD+V. Don't try to retype a code, you'll lose time. If a code says, already used, try again with the next drop. These come often if you stay active. Also, set Discord notifications for the server's announcements channel only. That way you'll get a ping the second a code is posted without noise from other chat rooms. If someone DMs you a code and asks for money or access details first, block and report them. Stick to the official OpenAI or Sora channels. If something looks shady, walk away. You'll get a legit code if you stay patient and active. Once you paste the invite code into Sora and it accepts, follow the prompts to set up your account or continue to the new Sora interface. If it fails, copy the code again from Discord, sometimes bots repost codes, or wait for the next drop. Don't keep refreshing the site over and over, it won't help and may slow you down. So there you have it, the real solution nobody is showing you. Switch your VPN to the US, have Sora open, join the OpenAI Discord via Discover, watch the announcements, and paste codes instantly when they drop. That's the practical method that actually works. If this helped you, hit like, drop a comment saying, I got mine, and subscribe for updates. I'll post the next tricks in the pinned comment and follow-up videos. I'll also keep an updated pinned comment if the process changes or if they tighten the invite rules.